Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video it will be the first half of a two-part video series where I'll be transforming that bug page into a soft muted page and mainly using prismacolor pencils I think, and I'll name the colours along the way. So keep watching and I'll narrate what I'm doing in between each little section. Also, I just quickly need to apologise on how pale this blue looks on camera. It's pretty bad, but this is taking forever. Wow, I wasn't expecting that to actually work. I'll have to try it more often. Jeez, that was lame. So that is the muted turquoise that I've done just a very fine layer of. Next I'm going to use moss green on the leaves. Again, just with a really soft touch. So next I'm just going to draw in the lines, because I feel like these leaves, these leaves, these leaves, they all have the lines and then these ones don't, and I just want to make it all go together nicely. It's only fitting that while I'm colouring this bug in, there is a big fly buzzing around. There's a big storm outside at the moment, so I guess it's decided it needs to come inside. Right, let's start with this. Try and make it match as close to what Hanna has already done. There you can hear the very strong thunder at the moment. Shaking the whole house. Shook the house. There we go, that's better. So the colour I've actually picked for that style of leaves is bronze. I don't think it's metallic. The Prismacolor, not like the gold definitely is. But I kind of feel like these leaves look a bit more dry. I don't know, that might just be me. But again, I'll just do it nice and lightly, not too firm. So next up will be the light umber. And that one I'm doing a wee bit firmer. So I may also just go around the edges of some of these with this colour. And as I've been colouring, I've been thinking I will do the whole background, the muted turquoise colour as well. Mainly because I want to leave these circle flower things white, and I don't think the page would look finished if I didn't do an entire background. Well, this colour's a bit brighter than the rest, lime peel, but I think I can make it still work nicely. Okay, so for the centres I'm going to use black grape, and then I think I'll be using rosy beige to just sort of blend it. And just a soft hand again. Okay, so for the petals of these types of flowers, I'll be using a combination of peach, nectar, deco peach and beige. So thanks for watching today's video. I'll complete the rest of the page and the bug in next time's video, so make sure you subscribe so you can see when that is released. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys!